Hello everyone. Taking a bit of a break from fishing at the moment, waiting for the weather uh, to pick up a bit. So yeah, today we're doing a bit of rod and reel maintenance. This is my 12-foot rod. It's a Loomis Ripper 6000 reel I have on. I have a 100-pound braid on it, Timo braid. Works well. It's not that bad for the fish around here. Haven't been snapped off yet. 4 ounce sinker, paired with a old school black marlin rod, 10 meters. 4 meters rod. This is my other one. This is a Adrenaline rod, the Blue Magic of Blue Surf 10-foot rod, paired with a Blue Magic 7000 reel. Same braid on it, same sinker and all that. And yeah, let's get the cleaning.
Maak my lewe op die see vir jou, vir brood en botter vir my huis en my vrou. Jy wil bargain, jy wil sny aan my rand, maar ek ken nie die lewe van 'n man op die strand. Hier is die kantoor, nie 'n stoel en 'n plan, net ek en die see en my geloof vir my aan. Snoek op die lyn, dis my wins vir die dag, maar die see vat ook, ja, hy vat wat hy mag. Ek gee my alles, elke trek, elke kans, so moenie my breek met 'n...
So yeah, just a quick rinse off on both of them. All the salt and sand and grit and grime off, ready for the next session of fishing.